Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is the integral. We have the integral of dx over 1 plus x to the power of 2 plus x to the power of 3. So I will show the technique how to answer the question. In here, we can do factorization. We have 1 plus x and we have 1 plus x again, so we can do factorization in here. Now we can use about partial fraction. So we will about a over x plus 1 and capital B x to the power of 2 plus 1. So we do common denominator in here. So we have a multiplied with x to the power of 2 plus 1 and b multiplied with x plus 1. Now we need to arrange x squared, we just have only a, x we just have only b, and 1 we just have a plus b. So now let's compare about that. As you can see, we have number 1 in here. So if we put this one become to 0 and 0, so it means this is 0, so we can not do about partial fraction in here. So I will show another way. In here we have x squared minus 1, so we put about number 2 and we need to negative x to the power of 2 in here. So we can do about another factorization. I think that's about negative 1, so we have about negative 1 over 2 in here. So now we can separate them into two integrals. X squared minus 1, and we have x plus 1, x squared plus 1, and the second one that's about, we put negative in here, so you go about x squared plus 1, x plus 1 over x squared plus 1 dx. So this one we change to x minus 1, x plus 1. So we have x plus 1 simplified with x plus 1 in here. So you got it like this. X squared plus 1 simplified with this one. You got about number 1 in here. And now we just got like that. About this one, we can separate into two integrals. That's about x over x squared plus 1, and we have negative 1 over x squared plus 1. Now we can get the final result. The integral of x over x squared plus 1, you will go about logarithm, and we have number 2 in here, so you got about 1 over 2, and we have logarithm of absolute value of x to the power of 2 plus 1. The integral of 1 over x squared plus 1, that's about r times x. The integral of 1 over x plus 1, that's about logarithm base e of absolute value of x plus 1. And then we multiply negative 1 over 2. And here is the final result. That's the end. Thank you for watching.